First train today, we've got Pendolino. $390.042. It's service for London Euston. $352.31, and I couldn't get the one on the front. Here's your service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. $391.56. Oh my god! $391.31. They're doing a service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. $391.55. Heading for London Euston from Glasgow Central. Arriving in now is your 1411 London North Western Railway service for crew, $353.70. And $351.15 on the rear. Service from Manchester Piccadilly. $391.37. $390.10. Doing a service for London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. $390.043. Doing the service from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Now approaching 171.15. Forming your cross-country service from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street with a really bright sun. Right now 176.20. Doing the service from Nottingham via Derby. $176.20 to Nottingham via Derby. I don't know where else it'll go by, so thanks for clearing that up. It's service for Liverpool Lime Street. $390.009. Here's your freight from Felixstowe to Trafford Park. $90.041. $90.044. Jeez. Ah, it's the wind. Oh God, why is it so windy? Ah! Come on, it's so windy. Recording my entire life. Wow! Right now it's 351.01 doing a service for London Euston. With 352.55 doing the service from Crewe to London Euston. Right, doubled up pair of the Voyagers from London Euston to Chester. 52 minutes late. $221.110, $221.111 doing their service up to Chester, which is like 54 minutes late. 390 from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. 002. 1 Hotel 24 Manchester Piccadilly. 39141 doing a service for Manchester Piccadilly. Here's your London North Western Railway service for Crewe. While I'm looking behind me, see if there's Manchester Piccadilly trains going to come and scare me. 350 407. Oh my god, I need to turn my call volume down. You'll see that in the video now. $352.65 at the back and $354.07 at the front, I think. '90s, another pair of them. Felixstowe. Oh, 3 of them! And a Pendolino! 390.11. That's a bundle of trains for you. Right, the organised chaos of the last clip. Those 390s were 90008, 90010 and 90011. The void's up there. Yeah. Next train should be, I think, a freight train, but I'm not too sure. Oh, 1517 London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. This should be the next train. Well, hopefully you're enjoying organised chaos and an internal migraine at where's the sign? Oh, where's the... it's on here. Tamworth. Pendolino from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. 135 off to Manchester. 730s from Stafford to Nuneaton. Oh, they're in West Mids. Right, the Pride 390 for Glasgow. $391.19. 390 heading off to Manchester Piccadilly. And that's 390. 390.046. $138, and we have a freight train. Here we are. $66,610. Trafford Park to London Gateway. 66 121. Right, and that is going to be my final train for this video. Make sure if you do like me videos, which come out on like a very rare basis, then please click the subscribe button, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment saying hi. No, please don't do that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the train video at Tamworth today. And look at that sunset. Wait 5 years for the camera to focus. There we go. Look at that sunset. And from me and this sunset at Tamworth, I'll see you in the next video.